Hey guys, I'm Christy with WTI. I vacuum every single day, so when it came time to find a new vacuum, it was not a decision I took lightly at all. I finally decided on the Shark Vertex, and I have no regrets. This thing is incredible. My favorite feature on this is the lift away technology. With the click of a button, you can remove the dustbin and use this like a stick vacuum. I deal with so much pet hair. I needed to be able to vacuum under tight spaces, vacuum our steps, and this feature really gives me the best of both worlds. I have the suction power of an upright, but the functionality of a stick. Not to mention, this thing sucks. I could not believe the difference in what this got out of my carpet compared to my old vacuum. You will not be disappointed with the suction on this. It's amazing. It comes with 3 different attachments. You have the Pet Crevice Tool, a dusting brush, and a self-cleaning pet power brush. The Crevice Tool is really unique because it's designed with these little nubs on the end, which I've never seen before, but this helps you pull pet hair out of tight spaces. I wanted to show you how effective it was, so I actually demonstrated it without the suction on because when the vacuum's on, it sucks the hair up and you can't see how it's pulling from the carpet. But this is a huge bonus if you deal with pet hair, especially like on your stair steps or in between couch cushions. The sliding button on the handle makes transitioning between carpet and hard surfaces a breeze. Shark really brings their A game when it comes to vacuums. You get incredible suction, features that make it so functional, all with a competitive and fair price point. Honestly, you cannot go wrong with this one. And that's my point of view.